Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, thorough, and thorough, through and thorough. Through and thorough. So, through, to go in the midst of something. I walk through the forest. We need to go through the city. How did you drive through the city? Why did you go through the desert? Why not around the desert? Why do you go through the desert instead of around the desert? I went through the forest. I didn't go around the forest. I didn't go underneath the forest. I didn't go over the forest. I went through the forest. Through the forest. How cool is that? We can walk through the city. They won't let us walk through the hospital. We have to go around it. Go around it. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. But thorough, to check something closely and ensure there's no errors or mistakes. Yes. I read the book thoroughly. Yeah, thoroughly. I read every page from front to back thoroughly. I understand it thoroughly. Yeah, it makes sense. We gave it a thorough inspection. They wanted to have a thorough look around. They wanted to look everywhere. Thorough. They wanted to look everywhere. A thorough inspection was needed. Okay, right. A thorough inspection was needed. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. We made a thorough plan. We thought about everything. And we came up with a very detailed plan. And now we have a thorough plan of what to do, Yeah. Thorough plan. Nothing was forgotten. Nothing was forgotten and nothing was left to chance. Yeah. Thorough plan. Exact details. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. Very good. So, can you use through and thorough in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.